Members of the Shapiro administration, including the lieutenant governor, joined Pennsylvania families impacted by gun violence.
Fox 33's Melina Brown shows us how a new exhibit called Souls Shot Portrait Project is meant to help observe Gun Violence Awareness Month.
These are just a few of the faces of victims who've died as a result of gun violence here in PA.
The statistics are overwhelming, and it's hard to not feel numbed out by them.
On average, 2,000 Pennsylvanians are killed each year as a result of gun violence, leaving 4,000 more wounded. But the Soul Shot Portrait Project is on a mission to make sure all lives lost are remembered.
Policy can be really abstract, and this is an opportunity to bring it into the personal, to remember that each of those numbers is a person who had a future, who has a family, and that their loss is felt in ripples in their community.
Artists throughout the state meet with families to learn about each victim, getting to know who they were, their connections, their joys, and their aspirations. And lawmakers say they're working to bring the violence to an end.
From supporting state and local law enforcement to help them close cases and get illegal guns off the street, to investing in community-based organizations who are doing the work to prevent violence and make our neighborhoods safer.
Throughout his time, Lieutenant Governor Davis shared that the Shapiro administration has added additional funding for mental health resources and have added additional after-school enrichment programs. The opening of the exhibit highlighted both sides' focus on the same goal.
I'm hoping that the lawmakers in attendance, anyone in power, anyone who has their heart open to this subject will be invited to consider how they might take action in reducing this epidemic.
The exhibit is free and open to the public. It's on display in the State Library until the end of the month. Melina Brown, Fox 43 News.